Hey everyone, welcome back to SJ Math, the place where math becomes easy and fun. Today, we're diving into a super important topic, addition and subtraction of integers using a number line. A number line is a straight line with numbers placed at equal distances. We have 0 in the center, positive numbers on the right, and negative numbers on the left. Let's add -1 plus 3. Start at -1. Now move 3 steps to the right, because we're adding a positive number. We land on 2. Now let's try +2 plus -3. Start at +2, and move 3 steps to the left, because we're adding a negative number. We land on -1. That's our answer. This is a tricky one. 0 minus 2. Subtracting a negative number is the same as adding the positive. So, 0 minus 2 becomes 0 plus 2. Start at 0, move 2 steps to the right. We get the answer as 2. This is up to you. Try this and let me know your answers. If you liked this video, hit subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss a math trick from SJ Math.